Hello, here's cartooning station. This set is the W213 E class black color wood trimming for upgrade the car original with the plastic the silver door panel or the plastic cover. So we see the whole set. It comes with the center console, dashboard, and the 4 door pieces. Usually, this one, this is the rear door, the rear door one, on the overseas market, not China market. This whole without. So, customer, if your car, your car need this one, you can let us know. We can make it for you. Also with this burmester hole, also we can make it for you by machine. Yeah. And here for the center console, this one had two model. One is AO7 model. AO7 is for the old W213. Before 2019. Yeah, before 2019. And the 2020 is different. Also this one, dashboard, this one. Customer, when you are going to buy this product, it's better you show me your car with the 23P button or without. This one is with the button, and this one is without the button. So different equipment. All the whole set depends on the original car equipment. What position original car have or not, with the burmester or without the burmester. This is for W213 E class. Also, we have for the W205 C class and X253 GLC class. The E class here is the black color, also have brown color. Yeah, different colors. Okay, let's see some detail. So for the car original with the ambient light, you can use the original ambient light, remove from the original one, and then add it here. And for some car like a silver one or the plastic door panel, the car without the ambient light, and you want to upgrade it, you can use this whole set, because this comes with the, you see this is the door ambient light trimming. Yeah, like this. You can let us know, we can help you to finish it. See some detail. This is the wood around me. This one. And this one. Detail. Okay. If you're interested in our product, welcome subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.